Hey guys, welcome back to Yalan app. For today's video, here we're going to show you Shopify inventory management. So, if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, managing your Shopify store's inventory can be something really frustrating, especially if you don't know the basics and what settings or things that you could actually do here. So, in this case, what we need to do first is we need to access our Shopify store. Now, in our Shopify store, we need to go to the option that says products at the left panel here. And other products, you should be able to see all the products that you have right now. Now, in this case, I'm assuming that you already have like a product already in your store here. Like, for example, I have this t-shirt here that has a photo of a dog. So let's go ahead and access this one. Now, typically in this section here, when you scroll down a bit, you'll see a section that says variants. And on the variants, we also have the available options here, which in this case allows you to basically see how many you have for that specific variant of that product. Because by default, we have this product, but the actual count of that specific product will go to the actual variants that you have right now. Now, in this case, for you to start managing this one, it's fairly easy. So what I like doing here is I want to basically select one of the products here. And you'll have the option to basically edit the quantity for it. Let's go ahead and click on edit quantity. Let's go and choose the location. And from here, you just basically apply the available quantity to a specific variant that you have right now, which is the most straightforward option, or in this case, the most straightforward option for you to adjust your inventory. But the great thing about Shopify here is whenever you select multiple products, like for example, let's go ahead and select all of the variants that we have right now. Let's go ahead and click on the bulk edit option here. Now, this will actually convert our view into something similar to an Excel file. Now, the great thing about this view is you can change a few things about your product. So that includes for example, the amount of products that is available on a specific location, that is available on hand right now, what is available on a specific drop shipping here, and the prices. So it's actually not limited to the following columns here. So when you click on columns here, you can add different columns. Like for example, you can add a compare at price option here. So the compare at price column is actually used to basically add, like for example, if you want to do discounts, like for example, you want to show your customers that, hey, this specific item is currently on discount. This is how you do it. So the compare at price here is actually the base price of that product, and the actual price is going to be discounted price. So in this case, if you want to do sales, this is how you actually do it. So it actually will reflect on your actual store. Now, you could also add different columns here, but the great thing about this view here, you don't have, in this case, you not only have the option to adjust the number of products or manage your inventory in this page here, you can even adjust a few settings, like for example, or a few details about your product. So if you want to, like for example, want to change the weight for your products in bulk here, you could add the weight column here. As you can see right now, I could basically edit the options for this one without having to access each of the variants one by one to adjust their specific value. So yeah, so in this case, we have the option to change the red backplanes, or in this case, the location, available value, the on-hand value here. But yeah, so also a great thing that you could do here as well is to basically get a copy of this one. So you can actually copy the whole thing here if you want to. So another way for you to start managing your inventory here is via the inventory section at the left panel here under products. Now under the inventory section, same thing, you have the option to change a few things. For example, you can select the following sources, like the location for that product. So you can change the available, the on hand, the following up the sizes for it. So in this case, we also have this product here, which in this case doesn't have any variations for it. So I have all the products here. So in this view, you have the view for all your products. You can view it in here. So you can even create a view if you want to. So yeah, so it's just a great way for you to filter out what you want to see. You could also view what columns you want to see here. So you could hide some specific columns if you want to. So once you're done, you go and click on save. Now, if you want to save this or have a copy of the inventory that you have right now, you have the option to actually import or you also have the option to export, which is a great way for you to get a copy or local copy of your inventory right now and present it to maybe your boss, or in this case a client if you want to. Now, if you already have like inventory on your hand, like you got from another Shopify store, you can go and click on import here and basically add the file. So the good thing here is you need to use a CSV file here, which is the most common file format for inventory or any type of database. So in this case, just add it in here and they will actually upload the file and add the details automatically. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to your line app. Thank you for watching.